Here we go, team and family. We're going to work some of these different problems here. We're going to start with, we'll do the evens. So 3 1/3 times 3/4. 3 1/3 times 3/4. Below it, I want to change 3 1/3 from a mixed number to an improper. So I know that I can do 3 times 3 and then add whatever my answer is, the numerator, which is 1, and put it over the same denominator. So 3 times 3 is 9. Put a line through it. 9 plus 1 is 10. And then I put 10 over 3. And I'm going to multiply that by 3/4. So I'm going to multiply the numerator times the numerator first. And I look at these fractions. I can't simplify them, so I'll just go ahead and multiply them. 10 times 3 is 30. 3 times 4 is 12. So I have 30 over 12. But I need to make sure I put it in simplest form. So using my 1z, what's the number I can divide both the top and the bottom by? I can try 2, because these are both even numbers. It ends in a 0 and a 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. So my first answer is 15 over 6. But if I want to make it even better, I can do first in, second out. 6 goes into 15 2 times. 2 times 6 is 12. And then 15 minus 12 is 3. So how would I write that? My whole number, my numerator, and my denominator. So my answer is 2 3/6, which is equal to 2 1/2. So if I simplify 3/6 using the 1z, I'm going to get 2 1/2. Next one, 5/6 times 2 3/4. I'm going to put 2 3/4 down here at the bottom. I need to change that from a mixed number to a improper number. So 4 times 2 is 8. Put here 4 times 2 plus 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. And I keep 11 over the same denominator. So I'm going to change 2 3/4 to 11 over 4. I can't simplify anything, so I'm just going to go ahead and multiply. 5 times 11 is 55. And then 6 times 4 is 24. Now, I could change this back to a mixed number because it's an improper fraction. So 55 divided by 24. 24 goes into 55 2 times. 24 times 2 is 48. Borrow from the 5. Carry to the other 5. 15 minus 8 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0. So my answer, if I recycle and reuse, is 2 7/24. So I'm going to go ahead and box in 2 7/24 and 2 1/2. We have one more example that we're going to work, number 6. For this one, I'm going to jump ahead. So you already know how to change 4 1/3, which is a mixed number, to an improper. So I'm going to put on this line 9 over 10 times, and then 4 1/3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 over 3. So then I need to multiply 9 times 13. 9 times 13 is 117. And then 117 over 30. And I'm going to box this in. but I probably should change this one to a mixed number. So I'm going to take 117 and divide it by 30. 30 doesn't go into the first one. It doesn't go into 11. It can go into 117 3 times. 3 times 30 is 90. 117 minus 90 is 7 minus 0 is 7, 11 minus 9 is 2, and then 0 minus 0 is 0. So my final answer would not be 117 over 30, it should be 3 and 27/30. So that is my whole number.